How to add reviews to Shopify Store. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can add an app that can allow your buyers to leave reviews on your Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do is have a Shopify store, and this is what the homepage looks like. Then we're going to go over now to the toolbar on the left hand side, and we're going to tap on apps. Now once we tap on apps, you can see over here that we have all of the apps that are installed. What we're going to do is tap on all recommended apps, and from here you're going to go down and you're going to see a find more apps in the Shopify App Store, and we're going to click on that link. Once you are here, you can see that there are a bunch of apps that are recommended for you, and they are also within their appropriate subheadings or categories. So what we're going to do over here is at the top there's a search bar, and now we are going to type in review, and you can now start to see all of the apps that allow your customers to leave a review. So as you can see, there are quite a few options. In actual fact, 695 apps with the word review in it. So you can go ahead and you can choose any one of these apps. If you are familiar with any one of them, you can go ahead. I'm going to show you how to use Judge Me product reviews. So you're going to go ahead and tap on the icon. It's this one over here. We're going to go ahead and tap on the install button on the left hand side. You will now have to give permission to integrate these two apps. So the Shopify Store as well as the Judge Me Reviews app. You're going to go ahead and tap install app. You are now on the page where you get to start installing the app. So it says you have to now select your language and then where would you like to install it. So if you have more than one Shopify store or more than one Shopify theme, you can go ahead and select it from this drop down menu, and you're going to go ahead and tap on start setup. Now over here it says enable app embed, and this is required for reviews to show properly in the later stages. So you're going to go ahead and tap on enable app embed. You can now see on this page over here it says app embeds, and there is the Judge Me Reviews app, and that is actually toggled on. So we're going to not have it like that, we're going to have it toggled on. And once it is toggled on, it says the Judge Me core snippets contain code used by the Judge Me widgets, and over here you can go ahead and you can manage your app. But for now we're going to go ahead, we're going to tap on save the changes that we made, and we're going to go back to the page that we came from. We can now go ahead and tap on next step. You'll now have to install the review widget. So you go ahead, there's a green button, you're going to tap install. Again, let's put us into this page over here, and we'll just have that toggle switch on. We're going to go back now to the page that we came from, and you can see that this is now not green anymore. We're going to go ahead and tap on next step. You're going to go ahead from this page over here and tap on manage app, and you will get over now back to this page, which is your Shopify homepage. And underneath apps we have the Judge Me Reviews, and you can go down and you can tap on widgets. You can now start to manage what type of widgets you want to install here. So you have the review widget, the star rating badge, and the questions and answers, and there are a couple more over here. We're going to go ahead and tap on manage by the review widget. On the right hand side there is a preview of what this widget will look like. Then on the left hand side there is a theme, so you can now just choose which theme you would prefer, and this theme will also show for all the review pages and floating review tab as well. The next thing you want to do here is go over to the sales channel, and you're going to tap on the online store. You're going to tap on themes thereafter. You can now select your theme of choice, such as the first one up over here, and then you're going to tap on customize. Once you land on this page, on the left hand side you have your page outlay, and you can tap on add section under whichever section you would like to add your widget. We're going to go ahead and tap on add section, and over here you can see that there are a few different examples of the widget. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on the first one. You can see now that this widget has been installed, and we're going to go up and tap on save. And we're going to go back to the installation process, which is this Judge Me Reviews page, and we're going to tap on next step. You will now tap on the get started, and this is how you will set up the Judge Me Reviews app. The first thing is changing the star color and the logo. The next thing you want to do is set email timing. You can now customize the design of the request emails, and now you can display your reviews in different ways. The next page will allow you now to install a preview badge, and we're going to tap on that. And once you've done so, you can now tap on finish. If you're looking to add reviews to your Shopify store, this is how you do it. Judge Me is actually quite a fantastic app integration. You can see now that on your home page in your Shopify store, you can now manage your reviews, you can manage your widgets, your marketing and social, and then you have some general settings. You can go through that and you can set it up according to your needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.